Welcome to the EdbMails Office 365 to Exchange Archive Mailbox Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails Office 365 migration software lets you effortlessly migrate archive mailboxes from Office 365 to on-premises Exchange servers. Built for security, speed, and precision, the tool ensures complete data integrity by preserving the archive mailbox structure, folder hierarchy, and metadata throughout the migration. Let's walk through the steps to migrate archive mailboxes from Office 365 to Exchange Server using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Office 365 Migration. Select Office 365 to Live Exchange Migration. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the source Office 365. Select Connect to Archive Mailbox option. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the mailboxes you want to migrate from the source Office 365 server. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Exchange server. Select Connect to Archive Mailbox option. Click Next to continue. Enter the target Exchange server details. Click Login to continue. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option.
Click Continue.
EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. Click Start Migration.
Migration operation under progress.
Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click View Logs button to get the migration report. That's it. For a hassle-free Office 365 to Exchange archive mailbox migration, visit edbmails.com today.